Hey everyone, my name is Vojchehoske and welcome to the Real Estate Classroom YouTube channel. Hey, before we get started, do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, click on the notification bell, comments, questions down below. So in today's video, we're going to discuss the Fair Credit Reporting Act. It is one of those federal regulations that you simply have to know for the real estate licensing exam, and there's probably a really good chance you're going to have at least one question on this particular regulation. So let's get to this short video. So in today's video, we're going to discuss the Fair Credit Reporting Act. It is in with all those other federal regulations that we've already discussed in previous videos, like the Equal Credit Opportunity Act and whatnot. And this particular act has a very distinct and unique function. And it was a result of, well, let's back up. Why was this law passed? Well, there was a time, and I was actually old enough to be a victim of this, where people's credit reports were all jacked up. They had other people's delinquencies on there. They had other people's good credit, and there was really no mechanism for the consumer to dispute anything or get it changed. So Congress got involved and they passed the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and it does a couple of very distinct things that you have to know for your real estate licensing exam. Number one, it protects the consumer against incorrect credit reports. And if there is an inaccuracy on your report, the consumer has a right to, number one, dispute the discrepancy, and number two, correct any of the inaccuracies that are on the report. That's the first thing that it did. Secondly, it established a requirement for basically the credit unions, the big three, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, to provide a free annual credit report. And you can get that, and you should get that. In fact, I highly recommend everybody check their credit report once a year. And you can get that at it's annualcreditreport.com. And then the third thing is, if you are denied credit for any reason, so if you're denied credit based on anything that was on your credit report, then a couple of things have to happen. Number one, the applicant that was denied credit, you're entitled to what's called an adverse action report. And it basically is a report that's mailed to you, and it must provide the credit agency's name, address, contact information, and then the adverse action report must also say that, hey, because you were denied credit, you are entitled to a free copy of your credit report from the agency that provided the credit report to whoever it was that pulled your credit. So if you made application with a bank for a credit card and you were denied a credit card, or if you made application to rent an apartment and your landlord used something on your credit report to deny your application to rent that apartment, then you are entitled to a free credit report from that credit reporting company that provided that credit report to that landlord or that credit card company. So that was the three key differences that really that you have to know for your real estate licensing exam. Now, don't forget, there's probably going to be at least one question on your real estate licensing exam regarding the Fair Credit Reporting Act, but that's really all that you need to know, everything we discussed in this video. If you're going to continue to study, check out this video to my right, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, I would appreciate it if you would. Click the little circle to my left, comments and questions down below. I'll see you all in the next video.